I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel, Agla Same Schools. Today, in this video, we will be covering chapter 15, that is probability. So starting with the rest of the questions of our exercise 15.1, our first question says, it is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that the 2 students have the same birthday? So the answer is the probability that 2 students are not having the same birthday, that is probability and not same, that is not E, which is equals to 0.992. And the probability that 2 students are having same birthday, that is PE, which is probability, which is equals to 1 minus P of, that is probability of not having birthdays. So which is equals to 1 minus 0.992, which will give you 0.008. Moving to our question number 8, which says, a bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball is drawn? First part says red, second part say black. So taking our first part, that is, we have to find what is the probability that the ball is drawn is red. So the answer is total number of ball in the bag are 8. So the probability of getting a red ball, that is equals to number of favorable outcomes divided by number of total possible outcomes, which will give you 3 upon 8. Second part says we have to find the probability that the ball drawn is black. So here the probability of not getting red ball is equals to 1 minus probability of getting a red ball. That will give you 1 minus 3 upon 8, which is equals to 5 upon 8. Moving to our question number 9, which says, a box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. I repeat, 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. 1 marble is taken out from the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be? Part 1 says red, part 2 says white, part 3 says not green. So first part we have to find, that is red. So total number of marble are 5 plus 8 plus 4, that is 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles, 4 green marbles. So adding this we will get 17 as a total marbles. So part 1 says we have to find the probability that the marble taken out will be red. So number of red marbles, that is equals to 5, which is given. So probability of getting a red marble is equals to number of favorable outcomes divided by number of total possible outcomes, which will give you 5 upon 17. Second part says we have to find the probability of the marble taken out, which are white. So number of white marbles, that is equals to 8. Probability of getting a white marble, that is equals to number of favorable outcomes divided by number of total possible outcomes, which will give you 8 upon 17. Third part says number of green marbles, that are 4. So probability of getting green marbles is equals to number of favorable outcomes divided by number of total possible outcomes, which will give you 4 upon 17. So possibility of not getting a green marble are 1 minus 4 upon 17, which will give you 13 upon 17. Moving further to our question number 10, which says, a piggy bank contains 115 paisa coins, 50 rupees 1 coin, 20 rupees 2 coins and 10 rupees 5 coins. So if it is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin, part 1 says, will be 50 paisa coin? So the answer is total number of coins in a piggy bank are 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10, that will give you 180. So we have to find the possibility of 50 paisa coin. So number of 50 paisa coin are 100. So possibility of getting 50 paisa coin, which is equals to number of favorable outcome divided by number of total possible outcome, which will give you 100 upon 180, that is 5 upon 9. Second part says will not be a rupees 5 coin. So number of rupees 5 coin are 10. Probability of getting rupees 5 coin, which is equals to number of favorable outcome divided by number of total possible outcomes. So favorable outcomes are 10 and we have to divide it by the possible outcome, that is 180, which will give you 1 upon 18. So probability of not getting rupees 5 coin are 1 minus 1 upon 18, which will give you 17 upon 18. Moving to our question number 11, which says Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish? So here the total number of fish in the tank is equals to number of male fish plus number of female fish, which is equals to 5 plus 8, that will give you 13. So probability of getting a male fish is equals to number of favorable outcome divided by number of total possible outcome, which will give you 5 upon 13. Moving further to our question number 12, which says a game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And they are equally likely outcomes. So we have to find what is the probability that it will point at. First part says 8. So total number of possible outcome, that is 8. Probability of getting 8, that is equals to number of favorable outcome divided by number of total possible outcome, which will give you 1 upon 8. Second part says an odd number. So here the total number of odd numbers are 4. That is the probability of getting an odd number, which is equals to number of favorable outcomes divided by number of total possible outcomes, that is 4 upon 8, which will give you 1 upon 2. Third part says a number greater than 2. So here the number greater than 2 are 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. So the total number of greater than 2 are 6. So probability of getting a number greater than 2, which is equals to number of favorable outcomes divided by number of total possible outcomes. So favorable outcomes are 6 and the possible outcomes are 8. So by dividing them, we will get 3 upon 4. Fourth part says a number less than 9. So here the number less than 9 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So total number less than 9 are 8. So probability of getting a number less than 9 are 8 upon 8. That is 1. So guys, we will continue the rest of the questions in another video. I hope you like this video. And if you have any query or any doubt related to any of the questions discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Agla Same Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.